Hi students, we are continuing the question paper. If you see the question, minimum force required to start pushing a body up a rough inclined plane. So first we represent it in a diagrammatical way. And this is a mass, minimum force, start pushing a body upwards. Start pushing a body, the force is upwards. Pushing a body upward, this is the force F1 he is saying. F1. And when the body is trying to move upward, the tendency is to go up, and the friction will act in the backward direction. It is equal to mu. If you draw mg cos theta, it is equal to mu into n. Okay, n. And there is one more force, mg sin theta, and F1 is equal to mg sin theta plus mu mg cos theta. And the next question is saying, while minimum force need to prevent. In the previous video I explained that the car, where the car is trying to come down, you just need to prevent it. Friction will act in which direction? We will draw the diagram again. This is theta, and this is the mass m, everywhere mass m, and to prevent it, so this is F2. Prevention, body tendency is in which direction? Downward direction. Friction will act in the upward direction. It is equal to mu mg cos theta, and downward direction mg sin theta, and F2 is equal to, we can write acceleration is equal to how much in these cases? 0. Why 0? It is preventing, there is no moment. F2 is equal to mg sin theta minus mu mg cos theta, and F1 over F2. What is asking? Theta tan theta is equal to mu. He is asking F1 by F2 is equal to F1 over F2 is equal to mg gets cancelled, sin theta plus mu cos theta over sin theta minus mu cos theta. The question is answer, one more thing is given, tan theta is equal to 2 mu. Tan theta is equal to 2 mu. Divide everywhere with tan theta, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta 2 mu, cos theta gets cancelled, plus mu over 2 mu minus mu. It is equal to 3 mu over mu gets cancelled. F1 over F2 is equal to 3. Okay, this I explained little lengthy way, and make sure that you understand this part. Many questions can be asked on this minimum force, upwards and downwards. Understand? Okay, let's go to the other part. A light string passes over smooth light pulley. This is pulley, and there are masses m1 and m2. m1 and m2. Acceleration is g by 8. Find the ratio of masses. It's a direct question and we'll solve it easily. Acceleration is equal to g by 8. It can be assumed upwards or downwards. m1g, and it is in the direction m2g. I am assuming the two blocks as a single system. What is the net force? Net force is equal to m1g minus m2g. Force. Acceleration is equal to force over mass. Mass is equal to how much? Total mass m1 plus m2, and acceleration is given, which is equal to, it's given as g by 8. G by 8, and g also gets cancelled. You can get m1 by m2 ratio. You try to solve this. We can go. We are going to the next question. Express train moving at a speed 30 meter per second reduces to a speed of 10 meter per second at a distance of 200 meter. If the braking force increases by 12.5%, find the distance that is travelled before coming to rest. So first expression, v is given, u is given, distance is given. Which formula you can use? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. V is 10 square minus 30 square is equal to 2 into a, just keep it as a, S is 200 meters. Equation 1. Now it is saying force is increased by how much? 12.5%. Initially F is equal to ma. Now force is increased. F2 is equal to 12.5%. 1 plus 0.125 into F. It is equal to 1.125 F. I can write this as m into a2. a2 is isolation in the second case. ma2 is equal to 1.125. F is equal to ma gets cancelled. a2 is equal to 1.125 a. So it is the next part. From the beginning is initial velocity is 30. What distance before coming to rest? Rest is 0. Initial final velocity minus initial velocity is 30 square is equal to 2 into acceleration is 1.125 into a into we don't know s. We just keep it as yes. Divide equation 1 with equation 2. Equation 1 with equation 2, if you do minus 800 equation 1 and 2a into 200 over minus 900 by 2 into 1.125a into displacement. A 2 gets cancelled. So if you solve this expression, you will get S value. Let's see the last part of this video. A stone is dropped from the top of a tower, travels half of the height of the tower during the last second of its fall. In the last second of its fall, it's traveling how much distance? Half of the total height. Let's draw this diagram. Height is h. It is dropped. Okay, distance traveled in nth second is equal to distance traveled in n seconds minus. Okay, distance traveled in nth second is equal to distance traveled in n seconds minus distance traveled in n minus 1 seconds. N minus 1. What is n? Sn is equal to ut. Initially snow velocity half g n square minus n minus 1 ante means g into n minus 1 whole square. Subtract this half g into n square minus n minus 1 whole square, n square plus 1 minus 2n, and it is equal to half g n square gets cancelled. 2n minus 1 is the distance traveled in nth second, which is equal to half of the height of the tower, h by 2. Equation 1. How much distance it travels? Half g n square is equal to n represent the time, remember, h 2. Okay, equation 1 divided with equation 2 you do. Then half g gets cancelled, h gets cancelled. 2n minus 1 over n square is equal to 1 over 2. So 4n minus 2 is equal to n square, and we solve this. N square minus 4n plus 2 is equal to 0. If we solve this, minus b plus 4 plus or minus square root of b square, 16 minus 8 over 2. It is equal to, we will get an answer 2 gets cancelled, it becomes 8. 4 root 2 we can write, 2 plus or minus root 2 is the answer. If we check the options, 2 options are there, 2 minus root 2, 2 plus root 2. Which one we should do? Which one is the correct answer? We will make it confusion here. If you see carefully, 2 plus root 2, what is the value of 2 plus root 2? Root 2 is plus 1.414. It becomes 3.414. And 2 minus root 2 is 0.414. Out of these two, which one we should apply? Based on the question. Half of the tower during the last second, which means the duration of its flight is greater than 1 second. Which of these two options is correct? 0.414 or 3.1414? Obviously 3.414. So the option 4 is the correct answer.